Brush them good.
What a dentist, I'm brushing the back of my mouth, you know, like teeth.
Yeah, he likes to well. I got the hiccups. Dang it. Oh, hot banana.
Oh, hot, yeah.
This is the part where David gags himself.
Yum. I feel clean now.
Yay! Yay! Oh god, that was horrible.
Lindsay likes hiccuping like this. What?
Shut up! I'm gonna kill you, David.
What?
Shut up!
Pop quiz, who's this guy?
It's not Shrek.
Yeah,
obviously.
It's his mother.
Oh shoot!
Here's this rock arm on.
David, I'm gonna hurt you.
I
am going to hurt you.
No, she's gonna tear off my necklace. I love you.
I love you more.
I love you, even though you go. Wah!
You're lucky I'm too tired.
I'm kissing her hair, by the way, kids. She's eating my nipples off.
I love you, David.
Love you.
What are we gonna do now?
We're gonna
Rah!
run all the way to Africa.
Afghanistan.